Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we're going to clean this Red Wing Iron Ranger H083 in Hawthorne Muleskinner Leather. I've been using these boots for the past 3 years already. Actually, this was gifted by a friend from the United States while I visited in the United States in 2021 at the height of the COVID-19 pandemic. I've been using these particular boots in hiking and in my backyard works. I sometimes run with it, and we'll try to do some experiment on this leather as this has become so dirty, and I think this is the only third time that I'm going to clean it. So the purpose of this video is to be able to bring back the hairy part of the leather, because this is the backside of the brown leather as you see inside. So we'll start with the cleaning. We're going to remove first the shoelaces. Actually, I made some cleaning already on these boots, and I even posted here on YouTube channel wherein I experimented in applying mink oil on the leather. I think there was somebody who viewed this particular video, and he was saying that I'm a crazy guy because I was applying mink oil on this kind of leather. So we'll set aside the shoelaces first. So you can see how battered and abused these boots. There's not much wear and tear on the sole, because I usually use this on the ground and on the trail. So there's not much concrete interaction with these boots, but you can see a lot of gap on the sole and the midsole. I have here a brush. Actually, this is a brush for the toilet, but I like the texture of the brush itself because it is made of plastic. So it is very hard, very stiff, and it will remove the grimes, dust, and dirt on the said leather, and you will try to see how this brush will do its work in cleaning these boots or the leather. So you can see it's really dusty. You can see the dust getting out from the leather. after using this plastic brush, you can see the brush was deformed. So we remove the grime, the mud, and the dust from the leather, and we'll set this aside. I have here the suede nubuck cleaner from Red Wing Heritage, which I bought here locally, and we'll bring out the items inside. Of course, you have the small brush and the eraser. So we're going to use this eraser on the leather. Then we're going to brush it. This is now the finished product of what I've done to my 8083 Hawthorne Muleskinner Leather. No application of mic oil this time. It was purely brushing it with this and using this. After the first experiment that we have done by brushing these boots, Red Wing 8083 in Hawthorne Muleskinner Leather, we're going to try to revive the hairy nature of the leather. This is just an experiment, and I was able to buy some sort of a fine steel brush from the hardware store, and we're going to try to revive the hairy texture of the leather. So I'm getting one of the brushes, and this is a fine steel brush, very firm, and it's made of wire. So we're going to use this and slowly do some rotating brushes on the leather, and we will see if we can revive the hairy structure of the leather. So for example, this one, you have this patina black thing on the leather, and we'll try to do some fine brushing of the steel brush and try to find out if we can revive the hairy texture of the leather. And I think we are getting some good results. I think we are bringing out the hairy texture of the leather by using this brush with wire, and it's nice to bring the hairy texture of the suede. I think it became better. Okay, we'll go with the other one. So just look the before condition of the shoes of the leather, and then we'll find out if you will be able to bring out the hairy texture of the Hawthorne Muleskinner leather. So we'll start at the front. I think this brush is better than the plastic brush that I used previously in trying to maintain these boots. So yeah, it's good. There's no need for me to apply milk oil. Just wipe it with a cloth maybe after this, and it's done. I think I was able to revive my Red Wing Iron Ranger H083 in Hawthorne Muleskinner Leather, and it looks good after 3 years of use in my hiking, running, and backyard works, and gardening in my area. So this is good. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. And if you have any comments on the video that I presented and the thing that I did to my Red Wing Iron Ranger H083, please do so in the comment section. And if you haven't clicked that notification bell, please do so that you will be informed of my latest video contents on this YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good day. Bye.